Welcome to the next video in the Home Depot Retail Media Plus On-Site Advertising Training 101 series. We will talk about how to use the reporting tool in this section. Once your campaign has launched, you'll want to know how to review performance. So now we'll be reviewing the reporting tools available in Promote IQ. We'll cover how to configure a report. We'll go over the key reporting metrics and dimensions available. We'll share the preset report options that you can select to quick build reports. And we'll show you how to schedule recurring reports so you don't have to rebuild reports that you need on a regular basis. Once you are logged into the Promote IQ platform, all you'll have to do is click on the reporting tab in the left side of the navigation tool. Once you're on the reporting screen in your Promote IQ platform, you'll see a number of preset saved reports at the bottom. But first, let's go through the steps to configure a new report. All you'll have to do is click the Create New button. This opens up the Report Builder screen. Once you're in the Report Builder screen, there are three main components to the Report Builder, similar to the sections we reviewed when setting up your campaign. First, you'll see the report parameters. Next, dimensions and metrics. And finally, the reporting and delivery schedule. If you have any questions about any of the fields in these sections, you can always hover over the I button for a little bit more information. We'll start by naming your report. Something like campaign performance or sales report, or whatever will be descriptive enough of the report you are building. You can also add a description in the box directly below the campaign name, although this is not necessary. If you're sending this report to a team member or leadership, which we'll cover in a moment, it will be delivered with a brief description of the report. Next, we'll select the report period and reporting interval. Report period determines the date range for the report, so what dates the data will be pulled from. So we'll run this report for the previous 30 days. The reporting interval can be set as daily, weekly, monthly, or cumulative. So if we select daily in this example, data from each of the previous 30 days will be included. If you have access to multiple brands, you can select which vendors you'd like to be included from the drop-down menu. This is super useful because since we're not able to set up campaigns for multiple brands at the same time, you can run reporting from multiple brands within the same report. Next, we'll select which campaign types you want to be included in this report. For example, if you only want to view product listing ad campaigns or sponsored product campaigns, or only banner campaigns, or all types, you have all of those options. Now, we'll select the dimensions or metrics you'd like included in this report. You can do this by using the search bar or scrolling through the list of available fields. For a definition of each field, all you have to do is hover over the name. Please note that the number of columns you add to your report and the reporting period will impact the time it takes for the report to run. So more columns and longer reporting periods will increase the time it takes to run the report. We also have the option of starting with preset reporting fields. Selecting from the column preset dropdown provides you with 4 different preset report options. These are sales report, campaign performance, campaign summary, and detailed campaign performance. Each of these options pre-populates the report with different reporting metrics and dimensions. If we choose sales report, the metrics associated with the sales report will populate, and you can add or remove fields from there. The sales report outlines what items were purchased and when. Sales are attributed to a campaign after a user clicks a promoted product listing ad or views a targeted on-site ad. and then purchases that product or related product under the same brand and category within 14 days of the user's initial interaction or click with the ad. To see complete sales attributed data associated with each campaign, it is advised to wait 16 to 18 days after the campaign ends when the attribution window has closed and attributed sales are sent to PromoteIQ. Next, the campaign performance report shows a high-level overview of campaign performance, including standard ad metrics like impressions, clicks, cost per click, click-through rate, etc. There's also the campaign summary report, which nicely recaps overall performance. The last template is a detailed campaign performance report. This includes additional metrics from the campaign performance report by product and gives a much more granular view of campaign performance. You can always remove metrics by clicking the X in the right-hand corner of the Report Columns tab. If you want to add additional metrics, just click on the left-hand side and you'll see them added to the report columns. Once you finish adding your columns, you're ready to run or schedule your report. Just select the frequency you'd like this report to run. Just once, or a daily, weekly, or monthly recurring cadence. For example, if you have a regularly recurring meeting that you can schedule the report for and be delivered to your inbox in advance of that meeting, you should do so here. If you would like the same report every Monday at 10 a.m., this is how you should schedule it. You can also check this box to have the report emailed directly to you or anyone else automatically when it's ready. A fun thing here is that anyone that you email this report to doesn't actually have to have PromoteIQ access. So you can share it with team members or leadership that might not have direct visibility into the platform. After you click Run Now or Save and Schedule, you'll be taken back to the report building dashboard and the report will begin to run. Back at the Report Builder main menu, your previously run and saved reports will be visible in the menus on the page. Your recent reports lists the reports you have run within the last 14 days. You can search these reports, filter by vendor if you have multiple accounts, or sort by any of the columns visible. Saved reports down below display all the reports that you have run for your individual user account. Similar to the recent reports menu, you can search, filter by vendor, or sort by any of the columns visible. On the right-hand side of these two menus, you will find the Tools column. You can choose to rerun a report by clicking Run, or select the three-dot menu to further edit, copy, or delete an existing report. That concludes the overview of reporting basics. Be sure to check out the rest of our 101 education series to learn more about other topics related to on-site advertising. If you have any questions, please contact us at HomeDepot@PromoteIQ.com.